Here's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Features include automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, auto-dimming mirrors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.